Are you sick of your phone turning a simple message into a totally embarrassing typo? You type, "I'm on my way," and it becomes, "I'm on my hay." You're trying to send a quick note to your boss and it gets twisted into something completely unprofessional. This daily battle with your keyboard, this constant fight against a machine that thinks it knows better than you, ends today. It's time to take back control and finally type what you actually mean every single time. Welcome, everyone. The frustration with autocorrect is pretty universal, right? It's a feature that's supposed to be helpful, but way too often it just becomes a source of confusion and straight-up embarrassment. The good news is you don't have to live with it. Buried in your phone's settings are the simple switches that will set your keyboard free. We've broken this down into easy-to-follow sections. First, we'll tackle the iPhone, walking through every setting you need. After that, we'll jump into the world of Android, where we'll cover the two most popular keyboards, Google's Gboard, which is the default on Pixel and many other phones, and the Samsung keyboard, found on all Galaxy devices. We'll show you exactly where to go and what to tap, so by the end of this, you will be the master of your own text messages. Let's start with Apple's iPhone. The process is super straightforward, and once you know where to look, you'll be done in less than a minute. We're going to turn off the main autocorrect feature, but I'll also show you a few related settings you might want to tweak for total typing freedom. First, open the main Settings app on your iPhone. It's that gray icon with the gears, probably sitting on your home screen. Tap it. Once you're in Settings, scroll down until you find the General category and tap on that. Inside the General menu, you're looking for the Keyboard settings. Scroll a bit and you'll see it listed there. Go ahead and tap Keyboard. This screen is Command Central for everything typing related on your iPhone. You'll see a list of toggles under the All Keyboards heading. The main villain we're here to defeat is labeled Auto-Correction. See how the switch next to it is green? That means it's active. This is the source of all those ducking typos that have been driving you crazy for years. To kill it, just tap that green toggle. It'll slide over and turn gray, meaning auto-correction is officially off. Your phone will no longer change your words without asking. But wait, there's more. For those who want to completely strip down the keyboard's so-called assistants, there are a few other toggles here to consider. First is predictive text. This is the gray bar above your keyboard suggesting the next word you might want to type. While it doesn't automatically change anything, it can be distracting. If you want to get rid of it, just tap the toggle next to predictive text. Some people actually like to keep this on even with autocorrect off, since it can still be useful for one-tap completions of longer words, but the choice is all yours. Next up is check spelling. This is what puts that little red underline beneath words it thinks are misspelled. It doesn't change the word, it just flags it. If you're a confident speller or just don't want your phone judging you, you can turn this off too. For most people, this is a step too far, as the red line is a pretty helpful, non-annoying way to catch real mistakes. My advice, leave this one on at first and only turn it off if the red lines really bother you. Finally, there's auto-capitalization. Just like it sounds, this automatically capitalizes the first letter of a sentence and proper nouns. If you prefer a more casual typing style or just want total manual control, you can disable this by tapping the toggle. And that's it for the iPhone. By turning off autocorrection, you've solved the main problem, and by tweaking the other settings, you've fine-tuned your keyboard to behave exactly how you want it to. Alright, let's move on to Android. The Android world is a little more diverse than Apple's. Different phone makers use their own software and, more importantly, different keyboards. But don't worry, the vast majority of Android phones use one of two keyboards, Google's Gboard, which is the default on Pixel and many other phones, and the Samsung keyboard, found on all Galaxy devices. We'll show you exactly where to go and what to tap, so by the end of this, you will be the master of your own text messages. Gboard is the default on Google's Pixel phones and is the most common keyboard out there for Android. Getting to its settings is pretty easy. The long way is to go through your phone's main settings. Open Settings, tap System, then Keyboard or Languages and Input, then On-Screen Keyboard, and finally pick Gboard. But here's a much faster way. Open any app that you can type, a message, a note, anything. Once the keyboard pops up, look for the little gear icon. Sometimes you have to tap the three-dot menu on the top row of the keyboard to find it. On other layouts, you can just press and hold the comma key and a little menu will pop up with that same gear icon. Tap it and you'll jump right into the Gboard settings. Once you're in text correction menu, scroll down to the corrections section. The very first option should be auto-correction. Just like on the iPhone, there's a toggle switch next to it. Tap this switch to turn it off. The aggressive, unwanted word changes will now stop. While you're here, you can also turn off the predictive text bar, sometimes called Show Suggestion Strip or Next Word Suggestions, if you don't want Gboard suggesting words as you type. And just like the iPhone, you can disable auto-capitalization and spell check individually for a fully manual experience. Here's a bonus Gboard tip. If you're turning off autocorrect because it censors you, look for a setting called Block Offensive Words and make sure it's turned off. This will let the suggestion strip, if you keep it on, suggest swear words and other, colorful language. With those settings adjusted, your Gboard is now under your complete control. If you've got a Samsung Galaxy, you're probably using the Samsung keyboard. The steps are a little different, but they're just as simple once you know the path. First, open your phone's main settings app. Scroll down and tap on General Management. Inside that menu, you'll see Samsung Keyboard Settings. Tap on that. Now, this is where Samsung uses slightly different words. The main feature is controlled by the Predictive Text toggle right near the top. Tapping the switch next to Predictive Text to turn it off is the key. This disables the automatic replacement of words as you type. For most Samsung users, this is the only step you'll need. On some versions of Samsung software, however, the setting is more specific. If words are still changing after you've turned off predictive text, look for an option called Auto Replace. You might have to tap into a Smart Typing menu to find it. Auto Replace lets you disable autocorrect for each language you have installed. You'll see your languages, like English US, with a toggle next to each. Just turn off the toggle for the language you're using, and autocorrect will be gone for good. Samsung also offers a reset option. In the Samsung keyboard settings, you can find options to reset to default settings and then erase personalized predictions. This is great if you don't want to turn autocorrect off completely, but just want the keyboard to forget all the weird habits and words it's learned from you. By going to General Management and then Samsung Keyboard Settings, you have all the tools to stop those annoying corrections and make your Samsung keyboard your own. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated the hidden corners of your phone's settings and have officially turned off autocorrect. Whether you're on an iPhone, a Google Pixel, a Samsung Galaxy, or any other Android device, you now know how to control your keyboard. No more fighting with your phone. No more embarrassing typos. You can finally type freely, knowing the words on the screen are the words you actually meant to write. You are in control. If this video helped you reclaim your keyboard, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps the channel. For more simple tech tutorials that solve real-world problems, make sure you subscribe. And if you have any questions or want to share your own worst autocorrect fails, drop a comment down below. Thanks for watching.